what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you something really exciting, especially if you've been on the hunt for a legit way to make money online. If you're tired of trying apps and sites that don't work or just don't pay enough, listen closely, because this could be a game changer for you. I'm talking about FreeCash, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. FreeCash.com is an online platform that actually pays you for doing things you're probably already doing in your free time, like completing surveys, downloading apps, and even playing games. That's right, real money, just for having a bit of fun or sharing your opinions, and it's super easy to get started. Now, before you get skeptical, let me show you how this works. When you sign up, you instantly get access to a wide range of tasks that you can complete. Each task earns you points, and these points can be converted into real cash. You can withdraw through PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even gift cards from big brands like Amazon, Netflix, and many more. And yes, it's 100% legit, with thousands of users cashing out every single day. But here's the best part. When you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll get a welcome bonus that can be as high as $250. That's right. Just for signing up and getting started, you're already ahead of the game. FreeCash also has a daily leaderboard where the top earners can win some serious cash rewards. So, if you're competitive, there's even more money on the table for you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it really that easy? The short answer is yes. You can do this while chilling at home, on your commute, or whenever you've got a bit of free time. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks here and there or want to see just how much you can earn, FreeCash.com gives you the flexibility to decide how much effort you want to put in. Before we wrap this up, let me tell you something important. If you really want to maximize your earnings, make sure to complete as many high-paying tasks as possible and keep an eye out for special offers that give you even more bang for your buck. Trust me, if you put in the effort, you'll start seeing results in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Head down to the description, click the link, sign up, and claim your bonus of up to $250. It's free, easy, and who doesn't want a chance to make some quick cash? If you've got any questions or want more tips on how to make money online, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, happy earning.